Hey everyone, and I've got a better angle on my videos now. So now I can usually just record videos. And again, we're going to play speedrun. So let's get back to the video. So guys, as you can see, we are already on the speed and we are setting off. We're only using one finger because for some reason my hand really hurts. And they're doing quite well with one hand actually. Probably not well for that. Yeah, look at that. Died. So if my mum comes in, then she'll probably speak. Or other people in my family. That's okay. It will just have to bear with it. So let's go there and there and there. Perhaps beating the roadblocks here. Now all I need to do is get to stage 2. Come on. Yeah. I'm going to try and some E. Fail. Yeah, P. This one just left. So let's get onto this. Hopefully I can, and I don't right. Yeah?
I'm not very happy with that chocolate muffin all over your bedroom floor.
So guys, as we can see, people in the corner are actually saying do actually do just lying. Right, so let's get into that. But this. So let's just cut it. How is it so hard? For real and right. Okay.
Yeah, we finished. Right, we'll go get in the bathroom.
Right here. Yes, finally made that jump, and then we have to do that. Phew. And then not phew. Hopefully, I was going to say, yeah, phew, I finished the level, but after that, I don't like. Wait, you want to be my friend? Of course, yeah. Why does a noob want to really be? That's pretty awkward, right? For proof, I've actually got some clothes on. I bought these with tickets. I had 1,100 and now I've got 80. Oh no. By the way, my dad's getting a new car. Let's go to... I know. Happy Wheel. I think you guys have seen this game, so Happy Wheels. This is a really crazy game. So, what you have to do is click on this game. One person playing it Well, there was actually 2, so I'm gonna join. Load me up to Happy Wheels Tycoon. Here we go, let's play, and let's beat that guy that's on it. So for Swabby John the game, thank you. I really want to get straight into it, so we're back when we're straight into it. Yeah, we're already straight into it. Right. Where is that person? Wait, no one's on it. Just good. Paintball Master. Mama Paintball Master. I drop 3. Wait, someone's on. I heard a knife sound. Oh, it's a guest. Just perfect to make their faces off. Ha! Ooh, we're both getting each other. Yeah, 1 KO. Oh, you can't get me, you douchebag. I'm just going to go around in circles. Whee! Oh, jeez, no. No, that's never good. Look. No. Let's hide behind here. She won't know where we are. I think we've hid behind here. Oh no. I'm recording. So actually he's not beating us because we've got 3 kills, they've only got 1. Or he's running for his life. Just 1. Guest, come back here now. I know where you are. Get out of it. Now we can swim. He'll never find us here. Let's see if he will find us. So guys, if you do want to join this game, please do, and if you do like this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. Now I need to go for a bath, and I'll be back in the next video, so bye. I'm going to type some. So now, what I said before, please can you do that, and that would be a really good job. And just bye. Yeah, bye. That's all really I need to say. So yeah,